Thank you guys for enrolling in my course. In this course, I will tell you how to remove unwanted hair naturally and reduce hair growth. So there are some sections. First section is how to remove hair naturally. There are home remedies. You can see home remedy 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the second section, I will show you how to reduce body hair growth. You can see the question answer and lectures using traditional methods, reducing growth naturally and finding other routes. And in the third section, I will tell you how to remove hair without shaving. You can see the helpful articles, everyday solution, permanent solutions. And in the fourth section, how to remove ingrown hair on your face. There are some lectures. You can see using a warm compress and using home remedies and avoiding permanent damage, preventing ingrown hairs on your face. And in the fifth section, you can see the helpful articles. And in the last section, you will learn how to reduce unwanted facial hair. There are some lectures you can see. So guys, in the end of this course, you will be able to learn how to remove hair naturally and how to reduce body hair growth, how to remove hair without shaving, how to remove ingrown hair on your face, and how to treat infected ingrown hair. So let's get started.